This lovely looking specimen is the new Pantasy Microscope. And a big thank you to Pantasy for sending me this awesome set so I can share it with you. It's a microscope, but not the kind that you would find in a modern science lab. This one is from their retro range, and honestly, it looks like something straight out of a Sherlock Holmes movie. I looked up a few pictures of real vintage microscopes, and Pantasy has done a fantastic job of recreating that old school aesthetic while adding their own bit of bling. Let's take a look at the build process, and then I'll give you a detailed tour of the finished model. The set comes in a beautiful presentation box that any budding young historian or science fan would love to receive. Now, as I've come to expect after building their Gumball machine, both the manual and the actual brick parts are top quality, and the parts fit nicely together. This is evident especially in the gold printed parts, which have a uniform, consistent finish, as you can see. And despite this set having a total of 1,107 pieces, there were absolutely no missing parts. So good job there, Pantasy. I've got to give a special mention to this tool here, which, as some of you brick enthusiasts out there will surely find familiar, it's a brick separator, but not as you know it. As well as the standard prying parts and the pokey parts, this little bit here will be an absolute lifesaver to Technic fans. You know how painful it is to pull out lots of Technic pins? This thing does it for you. No more fuss and no more sore fingers. Honestly, I'd buy a Pantasy set just for this tool alone, as the normal brick separator we all know doesn't have this function. Come on, give us this tool too. I also spotted a few unique pieces you don't often see in Lego sets, like this rounded plate, which could look fantastic in certain mocks, and this interesting bracket piece I've seen in another flower set I built recently. The set is split into different numbered bags to help guide you on the building process. This is after bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, bag 4, bag 5, and bag 6. Let me show you the set in more detail. There's a few mechanical parts and quirks to this build. By adjusting these wheels, the microscope moves up and down like how a real microscope would focus. The mirror can be tilted and rotated, and there's even a cog mechanism to adjust the height. It features 3 rotating lenses for different magnifications, and even includes a replica microscope slide with interchangeable specimen tiles. To complement the whole retro look, a little sidekick Pantasy have also provided is a dropper and bottle, a test tube rack with 3 realistic looking test tubes, and a sliding tray underneath to store your extra specimens. It's a charming touch, not strictly necessary, but makes a nice accompaniment to the set and the whole retro look. Overall, I'm impressed with this set, with no faults I could pick at. It was a pleasure to build from start to finish with no complicated steps, and would look great as a display piece. So, if you like the set as much as we do and want to get your hands on one, use our affiliate link in the description and use a discount code of TOYPARTY01 to get an extra 10% off current prices, and the code is valid until the 28th of February. Thanks for watching.